Peas are a great natural source of protein. To make your own protein powder with peas, use about 1 cup, 225 grams of dried yellow split peas. Put the peas in a strainer and rinse them under cool running water. Pour the peas into a large glass bowl or jar and cover them with cool water. Then let them soak for 8 to 12 hours. Drain them in a colander and transfer them to a bowl lined with paper towels. Then lay a damp paper towel over the peas and cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Let the bowl sit for 24 to 48 hours at room temperature so the peas can start to sprout, which will make them easier to digest. Next, spread the peas on a baking sheet and put them in the oven for about 9 hours on the lowest possible temperature setting to dry them out. Once the peas are completely dry, grind them up into a fine powder in a blender or food processor, set to a high speed setting. Now you can incorporate your protein powder into smoothies, soups, or baked goods for a boost of nutritious protein.